Hello everyone, my name is Ikechukwu and welcome to my chess tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how rooks move and capture. Rooks are also called the castle. So, rooks are one of the simplest pieces with which to move and capture. Rooks move in a straight line, either vertically or horizontally in any direction. Now take a look at this particular rook here. This rook can move up vertically, then down to vertically, then horizontally to the right and horizontally to the left. That's how the rook can move. Now, it is not compulsory you move your rook to almost the end of the board, but some cases, if you need to move there, you move there. So the rook can move to this square, or to this square, or to this square, or to this square. So that arrow is only showing you how far the rook can go. It means the rook can also go as far as to the d8 square. Good. So the rook can just move its square to the left. You are correct. Now, over to how the rook capture. The rook can capture the same way it moves. So it can capture the black knight staying on a5. And also, to capture the pawn on g7, it has to move horizontally to g5 square. If the pawn moves, it can capture the pawn by moving vertically upward. Thank you for watching this particular video. If you've enjoyed our video, please like our video, share it to others, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.